Hello to all our viewers, my name is Sergey Volchenkov from Life in Turkey. We're beginning to introduce you to Antalya's districts. Where is the best place for a holiday? How do you pick the best district for purchasing property? Today, you'll learn the answers to these from our video. We will show you the Konyaaltı district, one of the best districts in Antalya, and one of my most favorite districts, one you can see now, right here behind me. Like many other coastal cities, Antalya extends along the coastline and is mostly located between the sea and the mountains. The city itself is made up of 5 big districts: Aktur, Konyaaltı, Kepez, Konyaaltı, and Muratpaşa. The coastal zone of Muratpaşa is more commonly referred to as Lara since it's the name of the famous beach located there. The most prestigious places for purchasing property are Konyaaltı and Lara. Lara is older, more business-oriented district that houses many offices and life there moves quickly. However, it is a bit harder to get to the beach because the district is located atop a cliff. Konyaaltı district is greener and much quieter, very convenient for life and has everything you might need. People prefer Konyaaltı both to move to permanently and to vacation there. Konyaaltı is one of the best districts in Antalya, located on the west side of the city, surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, gorgeous beaches, and green Taurus Mountains. It also has one of Turkey's best beaches, the famous Konyaaltı beach, extending 8 kilometers along the coast. It's a pebble beach and traveling to is very convenient. It has even been awarded the blue flag for its cleanliness. Along the whole length of the beach, there is a wonderful promenade area that is equipped with anything you might want. Wonderful restaurants and cafes by the beachside, a recreational area with parks and fountains for kids, wide pedestrian, jogging, and cycling paths, basketball courts, and many sports outdoor facilities. During the summer season, you can also enjoy water sports since traffic is restricted around here. Moving closer to the seaport, you can enjoy a leisurely walk along the Boğaçay River, a beautiful area with children's playgrounds, parks, and various other recreational zones. The population of the Konyaaltı district is around 200,000 people and it consists of 39 micro-districts, the most popular of which are Liman, Hurma, Altınkum, Gürsu, Uncali, Molla Yusuf, Sarısu, and Arapsuyu. Konyaaltı district's infrastructure is very well developed, and it's a home to many of the city's most important buildings and attractions, without which it would be very difficult to imagine modern Antalya. Akdeniz Universitisi is the biggest university in Antalya. It is a state university and educates both citizens and foreigners. Akdeniz Universitisi Hastanesi is both a hospital and a research facility that employs the best and experienced professionals and specialists with the highest degrees to treat patients. Antalya Archaeological Museum is one of the biggest and best in the region. A stadium and a sports complex where you can get free lessons nearby, both for children and adults in various sports. Bus station, Otogar, where you'll be able to catch a bus that can take you anywhere you want in the province and in the whole country. Next to this bus station, there is a hardware store called Bauhaus, where you will be able to find anything you might need for your new home. Migros 5M Shopping Center, which is a great mall that is frequently visited both by locals and Antalya's tourists. Right across from Migros, there is Aktur Park Lunapark, which is the biggest amusement park in Antalya, and it also has the second biggest Ferris wheel in Europe, after the London's Eye, called Heart of Antalya. Aqua Park with the Dolphinarium is an amazing place to visit with your children and family during a hot summer day. An Oceanarium, which has Europe's biggest tunnel aquarium. A free state hospital and a research center called Antalya Devlet Araştırma Hastanesi, which treats its patients, even foreigners, for free, given that they have a residence permit to live in Turkey. Ataturk Kültür Parkı, which is Antalya's biggest park that houses an exhibition center called Cam Piramidi, a concert hall, and a good tennis club named Atik. At the end of Konyaaltı, near the mountains, there is a docking station for boats and yachts, Zitur Marina, a free trade zone, and a port. This is also where you will find the funicular, a cableway that can take you up to the top of the mountains in the cabin, one that opens a stunning view of the city. Up there's also a panoramic restaurant that rotates on its axis. At the foot of the mountains, you will find a picnic zone and the Sarasu beach, where there is also a beach made just for women. The Konyaaltı district is famous not only for its beach, but also for its incredible nature. You will be able to find green pine forest and little cozy villages that both Turks and foreigners like to visit. They come here to enjoy the famous Turkish breakfast experience to spend quality time with their family. The Geyik Bayır area also has the world-famous training camps for rock climbing, where people from all over the world come to train. Konyaaltı has many cafes and restaurants to suit any taste preferences. There are many top-tier state and private schools, including international schools and various daycares. The transport system is very developed and it makes it easy to reach any point in the city. What else attracts foreigners to Konyaaltı in Antalya? It's a home to a large international population, with many activity groups and clubs available in many different languages, where both parents and their children can socialize. You will surely be able to find someone from your country. Turkish people love and treat foreigners with respect. They even built the Matreshka Park, known as the Friendship Park, to emphasize this. That's it for today. My name is Sergey Volchenko from the channel Life in Turkey. Stick around and we will continue showing you Antalya in Turkey more beautiful than ever.
Subscribe to our channel and get the best professional advice.